Hello, I'm Scott Thomas, owner of ARS Rental. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to insert an interactive question slide into your PowerPoint presentation using TurningPoint 2008. Now, I happen to be using Office 2003 in this demo, so things might look a little bit different on your screen when you try to do this. However, all of the TurningPoint buttons are labeled exactly the same and perform the same functions in both PowerPoint 2007 and PowerPoint 2010. So, to insert a question into your presentation, you'll start first by clicking on the Insert Slide button on the Turning toolbar. The first 6 options here are the different chart types that you can use to display the audience responses. I prefer to use the vertical slide, as it's the simplest to interpret during a live meeting both by the presenter and by the audience. So go ahead and click on Vertical Slide. You'll see that its slide's been inserted into your presentation with 3 objects on it: 2 text boxes, and a chart. So you'll enter your question text into the uppermost text box, and your answer choices into the text box on the left. Once all of your answer choices have been entered, click anywhere on the screen outside of the text box that you were just typing in, and the chart will automatically update to reflect the number of choices that you typed in. The chart's also going to expand to its maximum size. This is useful if you plan on integrating the audience response questions into one of your existing PowerPoint templates. It'll allow you to make sure that the chart won't overlap any of the existing elements on the slide. So that's basically it. We've created our first interactive question, and now we're ready to cast our votes. There's really no other configuration needed to use an interactive question in its most basic form. So the next step, we're going to enter into presentation mode, either by pressing F5 on the keyboard or by clicking on the slideshow button on PowerPoint. So you can see at this time that polling is open, and anytime that a question is on screen and polling is open, people in the audience are able to vote with their keypads. In this instance, I'm actually simulating data. I don't have 30 people voting with keypads. I'm using the software to generate the responses, just for demonstration purposes. So, to show the distribution of responses and to close polling, all we need to do is click just like you were going to advance in a PowerPoint, like you were trying to move to the next slide. You can use the left mouse button, the space bar, the down arrow, or if you're using a wireless advancing device, just click on its forward button. I click the space bar. You can see that up in the upper right hand corner here that polling has been closed. And we see the distribution of answers, how they, in this case, how they were simulated by the software, but how they would have been cast by people in your audience. So this concludes the tutorial on how to create an interactive slide with TurningPoint 2008. I hope that you enjoyed the video, and I hope that you were able to learn something from it. If you have any requests for other TurningPoint tutorial videos, please submit your request through the contact page at ars-rental.com. Thank you, and have a great day.